This fragrance composition is a daring scent for the bold and confident man who isn't afraid to stand out. First, let us introduce the main orchid in this composition. This orchid is non-native to Singapore, but we have added it in our collection due to its amazing scent. With an impressive mix of sandalwood with hints of cloves, this scent provides a beautiful and refreshing warmth to the fragrance. If you are a fan of aromatherapy, you will definitely enjoy our fragrances. Our fragrances are not just unique in scent, but we have also infused the scent of therapeutic orchids to enhance your scent experience and bring a soothing comfort to you. They have long been used in many traditional medicines due to their herbal values, so let's find out more. Found and used extensively throughout Taiwan, this therapeutic orchid is a good remedy for treating a variety of illnesses and is often consumed as a health tonic. It is used in treating diabetes, kidney and bladder infections, and stomach ache. This herb also helps in preventing fever, strengthening the liver, and is good for detoxification. A pleasing sight in the form of beautiful hues of purple spread across these lovely blooms. Although this orchid is found in abundance in China, there is no reported medicinal usage in its native country, while in India it is used for treating diarrhea and chronic fever. Other scent notes such as rosewood, cedarwood, and heavy incense mix are included in this composition to create a rich, smoky harmony that enhances the intensity and sensuality of this fragrance. Rosewood can be identified by its deep, rich, woody notes with hints of roses and spicy nuances. Its scent creates an interesting dimension to the fragrance. Not only does it provide depth and warmth, it has a lingering, sweet, rosy scent that softens the serious, woody tones. Rosewood essential oil is believed to be helpful in easing negative and depressing moods, encouraging a more restful sleep. Since ancient times, cedarwood has remained a classic ingredient in perfumery. Soft, sweet, warm, woody hues topped with a dash of freshness, it is a scent that works well with most types of perfumes. Early records have revealed that cedarwood essential oil has been used throughout centuries for both sedative and medicinal purposes. Now it is still commonly utilized similarly. In the practice of aromatherapy, it improves both mental and physical health. Deep, rich, and intense with a touch of spicy hue, this is a powerful fragrance that enhances your perfume with a splash of masculine glamour.